I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it in my eyes. I reach the sky.
Running out of breath, I've been running out of energy. Telling all your friends you don't wanna be a friend of me. You making out lies, why am I getting all the penalties? I wanna talk about this, but they're talking to an enemy. I've been broken down like my food in my stomach. Hating these feelings, but act like I love it. I don't wanna cheat, nah, I want fair play. I don't wanna crash land like an airplane. I want you back, but when you act like that, like a one-sided talk, you don't call me back. Yeah, times were hard, and when you left, they got harder. My bed got colder, and my room got darker. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Well, I pray for the rain when our skies were blue. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Let's talk tonight and we can talk it through.
Dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it in my eyes. I reach the sky. Tell me if I'm lost in all the days it took. I get all I had without a second look, and I need breathing room. If I don't see you soon, I think I'll die inside. I blame it all on you. I think I'm gone for good. It happened faster than it should, and now it's upside down. I must have misunderstood, but I still wish you were here, and maybe one day you will. And while I wait for you, I'll pop another pill.
Black long sleeve, I can see you're freezing. You know I'll stop your bleeding. Let's not make this hard. Let's just hit restart. Messed up badly, how'd this all happen? This world's a mess, so please don't leave us stranded.
I'm swimming in the ocean of fear, right where I started, no closer each year. I fade, and maybe I'll start to disappear as I cope with these emotions. I don't wanna get closer, I see